What's going on, YouTube? I'm back today with a $390 Soul Supremacy box. $40 shipping, $350 for the box. Just came in, man. Today's your boy 30th birthday. Some of y'all probably already peeped the gray hair, man. I'm getting old. So hopefully it's a good box, man. Be a dope birthday gift to myself if it is a good box, a solid box. If you're new to the channel, these are nothing more, nothing less, just a mystery box. We buy them every Sunday on soulsupremacy.com. They're a shop out in the Bay Area. Very good shop, very good shop. I mean, they do us pretty well with these beater boxes for the most part. Nobody's, you know, complaining really for the most part. At least the people that I watch or whatever. We all really appreciate Soul Supremacy for the things that they do. But without further ado, we're gonna jump right in because this is my birthday and I still gotta go to work, man. Still gotta go to work. So, see what's in here. Sure I don't cut my finger off. Alright. Off top, I got one pair of loose shoes. One pair of loose shoes. We got some Aqua 8s. Used condition, size 9.5. No box on these. So, very nice. They don't need too much cleaning. Make sure what releases this. 2000. This is the last release. So, a little bit of toe box creasing on these. And probably a good little wipe down, but overall, not bad. Not bad at all. Aqua 8's one of the best 8s to ever drop. The rest of these shoes come with boxes. And they stacked in here. This was a $390 box. I wasn't expecting this many shoes. Okay, we got some spizikes. Maybe that's why it's this many shoes in here. You getting spizikes. That's nothing at all. I want to say these are the stealth spizikes. Size 10.5. If I didn't tell y'all already. Not too bad. Definitely worn. Definitely worn. Size 10.5 on these. Got the retro card in there. Or not a retro card, but it comes with the Mars Blackman card. Size 10.5 on these. Look like a retro 1 box, not an OG box, unfortunately. Never seen this shoe before. Appears to be dead stock. You guys can see the bottom. Appears to be dead stock. I don't know what these shoes are called, but they are size 10.5. I don't have too much to say about those. I really prefer the OG ones. Alright. I got a lab box. I'm not sure which one. I got a 4 lab 1. Size 10 on this. These right here, I don't think nobody really was messing with these when they came out. I remember how these look. These are not dead stock, but they do have a lot of stars on the bottom. I don't even think this camera gonna zoom in on them, but they do have all the stars on the bottom. Really clean shoe. If you're a fan of this shoe, it's in great condition. Size 10. And I don't know for sure, but I want to say it's 3M material underneath it, reflective. It does something crazy. It's got a dope box. Alright, I got 3 Jordan boxes and 1 Nike box left. We got a size 10 Air Jordan 2. Oh yeah, these is fire. This is the OG colorway. Size 10 on these. Not even for sure on the nickname of these. Very nice, very clean. Not even too much dirt on the bottom. Not too much dirt on the bottom at all. clean, very, very clean. Those will sell really fast. A lot of people like those OG colorways, whether it's a 2 or not. Got another size 10, retro 14. Indiglo 14s. This is the last year's release. These seem to be in pretty great shape too. Really good shape. So for a $3.90 box, this isn't bad right here. The 14s, the 2s, and the 8s will probably give me most of my money back, if not all of it. Those are in really great shape. Really clean. We got 2 more left. We got another retro 2. I don't know if that's a good thing or not. It's the same colorway, and it's not. The condition is great on these. I want to say these are infrared 2. I'm not even for sure. You might have to check me on that. I've had these shoes before in beater boxes, but I do not remember the name of them. These are in really great condition, just like the other ones. Whenever they come to me like that, I be thinking they came from Soul Supremacy, bought them from the same person. That's just what I be thinking. Of course, I don't know that for sure. All right. Next up, got a Nike box. Like a small box. Okay. We got some uptempos. Size 8 uptempos. Oh yeah. These are nice. I don't know if they have a nickname or not, but I like these. This box was definitely a great box to me. I actually, and the reason why I say that is because I had this shoe before, sold it in used condition, and it went for a pretty good penny. And these are in great shape, as you can see on the bottom. Catch some of that lighting. Great shape. Yeah, I'll buy these boxes all day at this price. And with this type of box, 390 bucks. And I want to say the last time I sold these went for over 200 used. The Air Uptempo, these are fire right here. Not gonna say I would keep them if they was my size, but I definitely would be on the fence about it. Nice shoe. I'm pretty sure that was the money shoe of the box. I'm sure that the 2s were not. If you hit the eBay link below, that right there should tell you what I have available. Or you can follow me on Instagram. My Instagram, you can DM me if you see anything you like. And if I still have it, I'm gonna try to keep the description updated, so everything that's sold should be marked sold. Everything that's available will have the price next to it. And if it's available, you can hit me up on Gmail, TGOTSOLE@gmail.com, or on IG. You can hit me on there in the DM at TGOTSOLE, and we'll try to work out a deal that way. So that'd be the best way to tell what I still have available. Appreciate you guys watching. Welcome to all the new subscribers. Thank y'all for coming through. Thank y'all for tuning in. I'm gonna quit rambling. Your boy got to get to work on his birthday. I'm out. Peace.